My apartment went from this to this in a matter of days. It was very overwhelming to say the least. But before we tackle all of this, I wanted to start in the kitchen and plan out how I was going to store all of our things inside the cabinets. So first, I decided to plan out our main dish area. I really wanted this cabinet to be super cute, but also very functional.
Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be.
I'd say the only thing that wasn't too functional was me having the bowls at the very top of the cabinet. I can only reach them with AJ's help or with a step stool. I didn't realize how much I would reach for them, but I mean, I still like the design, so I feel like it's fine.
Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away.
So once I was done doing all of that, I actually had to take all of the dishes from the cabinet and put them in the dishwasher because I was filming a TikTok at the same time and I really wanted to take advantage of the natural light. So I put all the dishes in the dishwasher and moved on to organizing the little cabinet by the fridge.
Don't hide away from me when I need you.
So I really wanted this to be tea focused for AJ because he drinks tea like 20 times a day. So I thought I would organize his tea and some cups for easy access.
Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know.
Moving on to this situation over here. I somehow deluded myself into thinking moving would be super easy, but I was wrong. It took us almost like a week to move all of our stuff because we didn't get a truck or hire movers, and that was clearly a mistake. You know, lesson learned. I didn't think we had that much stuff, to be fair. Either way, we got through it, so it's all good.
But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space.
So this whole situation was extremely overwhelming for me. So I really wanted to create little goals for myself to keep myself motivated, to keep on going. So my very first goal was to move all the kitchen appliances and just like organizers and stuff over by the desk. So after doing that, I started going through the pile again and just finding a place for all the random things. And for some reason, doing that was getting a little bit overwhelming for me. So I dialed it back and started focusing on putting away things by category again. I started helping AJ go through his coats, and I helped him decide which ones to keep and which ones to give away or sell. Once we finished doing that, it just gave me the motivation to keep on going because I felt like I was finally making progress. So it already looks so much better in here. I pretty much just kept chipping away at the pile until the dishwasher was done. And once that dishwasher was done, my motivation was done. It was gone. I didn't find that motivation until like a couple of weeks later when I finally decided to touch that pile again. I kept trying to convince myself that I couldn't finish it because we needed more furniture in order to put that stuff away. But I basically called myself out, and one night I just got up and decided, all right, enough is enough. We're going to clean this. And here we are. The space is all clean. I'm going to be getting a media table soon, but I need your help picking a color. I wanted to do something that's either light oak, black, or medium brown. I've been going back and forth about colors for a while, so I could really use your thoughts and opinions. So let me know what you think in the comments. Also, make sure you subscribe so you can see what I decide. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.